Hey guys, welcome to Leap Scholar. My name is Monash and I currently work and live in France. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to study in France for masters. But before we start, I'm giving away 50 free SOPs that will help you draft your application. All you need to go is to go to the pinned comments or description to download them, so check it out. Now, let's dive right in. Step 1. Research your course and university. Start by identifying the field you want to specialize in. For example, France is internationally recognized for master's programs in engineering, business management, fashion, arts, hospitality, political science, and data science. There are mainly two types of institutions: public universities, which have low tuition fees which require strong academic records, and second, grande école or elite schools, which are highly selective but globally respected. Use the official Campus France portals to search for programs, compare universities, and check the intake periods. Most programs have intakes in September and a smaller intake in January or February. Step 2. Check eligibility and language requirements. Each program has its own criteria. Common requirements include bachelor's degree in a relevant field and also work experience, especially for MBA and management courses. Meeting language requirements is also important. If your course is taught in French, you need proficiency through exams like DELF or DALF. If it's in English, you may need to show IELTS or TOEFL or PTE scores. Step 3. Prepare your application documents. French universities give a lot of importance to well-prepared applications. Here's what you'll need: academic transcripts and degree certificates, a CV, statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, language test results, and passport copy. It's best to start preparing these documents at least a year in advance. Step 4. Apply through Campus France. The application process is called Études de France and is managed by Campus France. You have to create your account on their website, upload all the documents, select your preferred programs, and pay the application fees. After submission, Campus France will review your file. You may be called for an interview where they'll ask you about your academic background, goals, and the reason for choosing France. I have done a detailed video on the Études de France process. You can check that out in the pinned comments and description. Step 5. University admission and offer letter. Once your application is processed, universities will evaluate. If you are selected, you will receive an admission letter. Make sure to confirm your acceptance before the deadline and follow any instructions such as paying an advance tuition fee or submitting additional documents for the process to go smoothly. Step 6. Financial planning and scholarships. Studying in France is affordable compared to many countries, but you still need to plan carefully. Public universities charge around 2,770 euros per year for master's program, while private institutions and grande école may charge between 8 to 20,000 euros per year. For living expenses, on an average, you'll need 700 to 1,000 euros per month depending on the city. Paris is the most expensive, while smaller cities are obviously more affordable. Scholarships are also available, such as the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship by the French government, Charpak Scholarship, Erasmus Plus, and university-specific scholarships. Start applying for scholarships early, as deadlines are often earlier than the course deadlines. Step 7. Apply for your student visa. Once you have your admission letter, the next step is to apply for a French student visa, which is also known as long stay visa or VLSTS. You need to book an appointment at your nearest BFS Global Center in India. Submit your application, provide biometrics, and also attend an interview if asked. Key documents include your admission letter, your financial proof, accommodation details, as well as health insurance. There is a separate video that we have done for the student visa process, which is extremely detailed. You can check it out as well. I will put the link in the pinned comment and description. Step 8 is the post-visa stage. Once your visa is approved, book your flight tickets and start looking for housing immediately, as it can be very competitive in French cities. As an international student, you can work part-time for up to 20 hours per week. This can cover part of your living costs. Take advantage of student benefits such as discounts on transport, cinema, and cultural activities. Participate in university events and networking opportunities as they can play a big role in finding internships and jobs. So, that's the complete process of studying in France for a master's degree after graduation in India. Also, before you leave, do remember to download free SOPs and check out detailed videos on Études de France process as well as visa process, and all the links are in the pinned comments and description. I will see you next time.